Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can customize the metahuman facial expressions using bone snapshots and morph targets, right? First of all, we will open Poser and we will select our expression we want to customize, right? So for this example we will use mouth corner pull, right? We'll just use this one. And we want to, for this example, we want to sculpt our customization instead of manually moving the bones. And we want to create from that sculpt a bone snapshot, which we will use to customize our expression. So first of all, let's select our mouth corner pool, go to morph targets button, just press OK. And now we can open our morph target and we can proceed with our customization. We will do some basic customization. We will just move this. We will make it like a harder pull here. I'm just gonna try to make it look as good as possible. Maybe even more for the sake of our experiment here. Smooth just a little bit. So this would be it, right? Well, we're gonna save this. And now we're gonna go to Poser. We want to enable our mouth corner pull. And first, before everything else, set current pose as base. So this is gonna be our base pose. We can reset it now. And now we want to create a bone snapshot from this morph target we've just created, right? So we select the morph target. We click on to bone snapshot. We don't need to start from root. We will go with heads. This is just a customization for the head and just press OK. We will give it a name. Mouth corner pull is good enough. And we're going to press save. And now we can load that mouth corner pull bone snapshot. And we will see that the difference is kind of huge. We can check it out. This is the original mouth corner pull, and this will be our mouth corner pull. This expression customization is done only with the bone movement, so no morph target will be involved in this expression customization. And now we want to export this customization as corrective, right? So we go to edit, create bone snapshot from pose. We will just write here as well, starting bone as head, because we don't need anything else. If it won't be anything else, but we don't need it either. So, and we will select save changed bones only. This will allow us to store in the bone snapshot only the bones that have changed the value to it, right? So let's press OK. I'm gonna just overwrite the original one and press yes to overwrite it. Okay, and now we can reset this. We go back to neutral pose and we open post-process animation blueprint for the face. And here we get, we need to do one thing. Let's copy the name of this curve, our expression that we're modifying, because we're gonna need to get the value here. Okay, and we will use load bone snapshot. Okay, we will enter the curve value to alpha, and we will select our mouth corner pull bone snapshot. Let's save this. Let's reopen Poser. So we reset its mesh. Let's open Poser. And let's enable now mouth corner. As you can see, the expression is modified only by moving the bones. And we can check it out how it looks on the other side. You can see the changes there. It's more abrupt here. It looks like what we sculpted, basically, right? So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this new functionality in Mesh Morpher that allows us to create a corrective bone snapshot for expressions or for whatever it is there, right? You can do it for body, you can do it for whatever, right? So this is it, guys, and don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and see you around. Bye.